Assalamualaikum students and welcome to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and today we will do copy work. So for this you have to take out your notebooks, your black pen, blue pen, your pencil and your scales. So students, at the very first what you have to do, you have to draw the margin line. Then with your black pen you have to write down the date. Today is 24/4/2020 classwork and day is Friday. So today's topic is essay writing. So first of all we will write topic essay writing. Which essay we are going to do today is Allama Iqbal. I think all of you are very well known or familiar with this name, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. So as you know that he is our national poet, and you have read so many poems of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal in your previous classes. So today we will write a short essay on his personality. Okay? So now take out your blue pen for writing the essay. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is not only the poet of East, but he is also our national poet. What they are saying that Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is not only the poet of East, but he is also our national poet. ठीक है, सिर्फ ईस्ट के ही जो हैं वो पोइट नहीं हैं, बल्कि हमारा कंट्री जो पाकिस्तान है उसके ही इज़ द नेशनल पोइट. ठीक है. देन ही वॉज बॉर्न एट सियालकोट ऑन 9th November 1877 in a religious family. Where he was born at Sialkot on 9th November 1877 and he was born in a religious family. ठीक है, इस्लामी फैमिली थी उनकी, उसमें वो उनकी बर्थ हुई थी. कहाँ पर हुई थी? सियालकोट में हुई थी. किस दिन हुई थी, किस डेट को हुई थी? 9th November 1877 को हुई थी. Then he got his early education from, कहाँ से उन्होंने अपनी अर्ली एजुकेशन हासिल की थी? फ्रॉम मिशन हाई स्कूल से उन्होंने की थी. एंड ऑल्सो डिड हिज मेट्रिकुलेशन फ्रॉम देयर, एंड ही ऑल्सो डिड हिज मैट्रिक, यानी कि 9th 10th ही ऑल्सो डिड फ्रॉम द सेम स्कूल, मिशन हाई स्कूल. देन ही वेंट टू लाहौर एंड गॉट एडमिशन इन government college and did MA in philosophy and went abroad and did his PhD from Germany. ठीक है. So then after his schooling, after his matriculation, he went to Lahore. There he got admission in government government college, and he also did his masters from there. He did his masters in philosophy, and after his masters he went to the abroad. ठीक है. And abroad he did his PhD, and from where he did his PhD from Germany. Then he returned to, फिर क्या हुआ, वो वापस आ गए अपने कंट्री में, हिज कंट्री, एंड बिगन टू राइट पोएम्स. फिर उन्होंने क्या करना शुरू किया? यहाँ पर आकर वापस अपने कंट्री में, आफ्टर रिटर्निंग टू हिज कंट्री, ही स्टार्टेड राइटिंग पोएम्स. ठीक है. ही ऑल्सो रोट मैनी पोएम्स फॉर चिल्ड्रंस. बहुत सारी पोएम्स उन्होंने किसके लिए लिखी? बच्चों के लिए. ठीक है. He was the man who first saw the dream of Pakistan. In which country you are living nowadays is Pakistan, and it was dreamed by Allama Iqbal long time ago. ठीक है. And he died on 21st April 1938 and buried near Badshahi Mosque, Lahore. Look at the death date, 21st April 1938. Pakistan got independence on 1947. So he died before the independence of the Pakistan. He wasn't alive when we got independence or when his dream came true. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write it on your notebooks. And I don't think so it was very difficult for you guys, or it's a lengthy. What you have to do, you have to learn it properly, or you can call it memorize it. And when our school will reopen inshallah soon, so I will take a test of this essay. So I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.